Hey guys, sorry, we had some technical difficulties for our last video, so we're doing it again. This is a math exam from one of the national vet science competitions, actually from the year of 2019, so it's not too old. We're just going to work through the problems. I will also upload this paper to Teams, just in case you want to look at them. We're just going to do the first front page because they're probably the most relevant to us right now. And just follow along. If you have any questions, you can message me or we can talk about it in class. Just let me know. All right, so our first question, we need to give 1 cc per 15 pounds of pan to a 29 kilogram dog. We want to repeat this dose once a day for 3 days. On hand, we have a pan that is 100 milligrams per milliliter. But if you look up here, we're not really trying to find how many milligrams the animal needs, but how many cc's the animal needs. So first what we're going to do is it actually has it in pounds. So we have the animal's weight in kilograms, but we need to get it into pounds. So how we do that, if we looked on our conversion chart, we know that to go from kilograms to pounds, we need to multiply by 2.2. All right, so we're going to take 28 times it by 2.2. Which then will come out to be 61.6 pounds. Okay, so that's how much our animal weighs. I need to figure out how many cc's. So we have 1 cc per 15 pounds. We know the animal is 61.6 pounds, and we need to find our cc's. So we will cross multiply. So that's what we come out to be. We have x times 15 equals 61.6. Again, to be able to get our x alone, we need to divide by 15. And that will come out to be 4.11 cc's. Okay. So it asks us how many milliliter dose does it need per dose. So we know that our cc's are a 1-to-1 ratio with milliliters. So we know instantly that 4.1 cc's is also equal to 4.1 milliliters. So how many milliliters per dose? 4.11 milliliters. How many milliliters per day? Animal only needs it once a day. So 4.11 milliliters. How many milliliters per the total treatment? The total treatment is going to be 3 days. So we're going to multiply our 4.11 by 3 to come out to 12.33 milliliters. Okay? And remember, if the last number is a little different, you'll have multiple choice. So pick the one that is the closest. All right, our second question. We need to give 10 milligrams per pound of KEP to a dog that is 15 pounds. We need to give the dose 2 times a day for 10 days. On hand, we have a 250 milligram capsule, okay? So we need to figure out how many milligrams the animal needs. We already have it in pounds here, and it's in pounds on our manufactured label. So we have 10 milligrams per pound. We know that our animal is 25 pounds, and we're trying to find the milligrams. So we're going to cross multiply with it coming out to be that we need 250 milligrams. All right. What we have on hand is a 250 milligram capsule. So that's pretty easy. How many capsules do we need per dose? So in one dose, we need 250 milligrams. We have 250 milligram capsules, so just one. How many capsules do we need a day? We know we want to do this 2 times a day. So 1 times 2 is 2. And how many capsules for the whole treatment? We have 10 days for this treatment. If every day the animal gets 2 times 10 equals 20. So we have 20 capsules for the entire treatment. All right, our third one. We have this drug right here. It goes to 20 milligrams per milliliter. Our dose is to give 2 milligrams per pound. Our dog is 22 pounds, and the cost is 20 cc's, $20 per cc. All right, so first we need to figure out how many milligrams does the dog need. So from our manufacturer, we know 2 milligrams per pound. We're looking for our milligrams, and we know that our animal is 42 pounds. And again, remember, if this was to be in kilograms, not pounds, we just multiply our pounds by 0.454, okay? All right, so we're gonna cross multiply. So our X is going to equal 48. So we know that X times 1, which we're gonna guess is right there, is just X, and then 42 times 2 is 84. So we need 84 milligrams. So we know over here that within our bottle, there are 22 milligrams per milliliter, okay? So we'll write it up here. We know we have 20 milligrams per milliliter. We know our animal needs 84 milligrams, but we need to know how many milliliters. So we will cross multiply. X times 20 is X20, and 84 times 1 is 84. So then we will divide by 20 so we can get the X alone, which then will come out to be 4.2 milliliters. So we know our animal is going to need 4.2 milliliters. Now for the cost, how much is the cost of our injection? If we know that it is $20 per cc, and we know that milliliters and cc's are a 1-to-1 ratio, so they are the same, we need to find X number of dollars. Well, we know we need 4.2 cc's of drug. So again, we will cross multiply. X times 1 equal X. 4.2 times 20 is 84. So that comes out to be $84. All right, now these ones, a lot of them, we did it more in pounds than we normally do in kilograms. But just remember, if it's asking for it in pounds, it gives you in kilograms, multiply it by 2.2. If it's asking you for kilograms and it gives you pounds, we multiply it by 0.454. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Again, I'll upload this so you can follow along. There's also a second back page to this if you want to try that. And then we can talk about it whether in class or email or whenever is good for y'all. But let me know if you guys need anything else. Have a good day.